12-year-old French Lucena, a Bantay Edukasyon scholar, has finished elementary, the second of 9 siblings. He hopes to finish school to help his family.
Mag-aral po mabuti, makinig sa guro, walang ginautos, yaturo.
He may have partial hearing problem, but this young boy's determination to finish his studies inspires even those around him. Meet 12-year-old French Lucena of the Mauricio Reynoso Elementary School in Puerto Princesa City.
Sa tingin ko po ay porsigido siya sa kanyang pag-aaral kasi kahit medyo malayo ang bahay niya, minsan nalilate pero talagang nag-attend siya ng class. Mas lalong nagpupursige yung bata dahil sa programa na binigay niyo sa kanya.
French is one of the 35 deserving scholars chosen and were supported by the local government of Puerto Princesa City and Bantay Bata 163.
Masaya po ako dahil nakatulong ito sa aking pag-aaral. Mag-aksay ng binibigay ng pera ng magulang para mang sayang-sayang lang pang sa iba. Pagkamitan din nila paghalagahan dahil ito'y pinapaghirapan din.
French always remembers to honor his family and make them proud as well through his good grades and characters that are worth emulating.